Imagine a world suddenly on pause. Schools closed, store shelves empty, and uncertainty everywhere. For millions of families, the 2020 shutdown was more than a global event. It was a personal crisis. But it also revealed something powerful: the importance of resilience, communication, and connection. In this guide, we'll explore practical strategies to help your family stay strong during uncertain times. Global crises come in many forms: natural disasters, pandemics, economic downturns, or social unrest. The effects are often similar: disrupted routines, heightened stress, and emotional strain. Understanding these impacts is the first step toward building a more resilient family. Open communication is essential. Create a safe space where everyone can share their feelings without judgment. Practice active listening with simple affirmations like, "I hear you." Regular family check-ins help strengthen trust and provide comfort. Managing anxiety is also crucial. Mindfulness exercises, deep breathing, and physical activities like a family walk can help regulate stress. And when needed, don't hesitate to seek professional support. Mental health is a key part of family well-being. Staying connected during challenging times helps build stability. Simple rituals like game nights, shared meals, or short conversations can strengthen family bonds. Consistent, positive interactions create a sense of normalcy. Finally, resilience grows when we reflect on challenges and learn from them. Encourage your family to see setbacks as opportunities to grow. By modeling optimism and perseverance, parents can help children build their own resilience. Thank you for joining us. Remember, strong families aren't defined by the challenges they face, but by how they respond together.